Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the three pieces of equipment I'm going to use for ghost hunting, as well as the other pieces of equipment, and to let you know how exactly I'm going to use them and what they are able to do. Alright, so first let's see what we got here. Let's see, all little wrapping paper. Little wrapping paper. Haha, let's see. Alright, so, if I'm correct, this will be my camcorder that I will use, which also is rechargeable, so I don't need batteries. I can just charge it using a regular USB or micro USB charger. And it also sees night vision as well. That way I can scope around the area and see if there's anything in the area, besides the other items that I'm going to show you right now. So right here this is my baby right here. This is a thermal imaging attachment for your smartphone. This happens to be a Type-C and micro USB. This thing costs about $260, but good thing that I got a discount. But this baby can record while I'm using my phone to film as well, if I have to pan around, look around, and see if I see any warm or cold temperatures to determine if there is something in the area. And last but not least, this is the ghost meter right here. And I'll show you exactly what they look like when I open them up. Well, here's the night vision 48 megapixel camcorder, and I believe it comes with 32 gigabytes of free storage. And I'm going to show you what it looks like after I put it together. Okay, so this is my 4K Ultra HD camcorder, and as you can see, it's not on right now, but what's on, but it's just the lens cover is on. So it comes with a microphone, and yes, you can charge the microphone right here. See if we can get it so not being all blurry. Alright, and it does have a really good zoom. And of course it has night vision. And I'll show you a video with the night vision with this camera. Yep. Ooh, I can see in the dark. I can see basically anything in the dark. It's pretty good, to tell you the truth. Zoom in a little bit. So the quality is not like horrible. It's actually pretty good. My hand's shaking a little bit because I'm trying to hold two things at once. Alright, now that is the night vision, and let me show you the thermal imaging. This is the thermal imaging. As you can see, I have it plugged up. It's right here. See, it allows me to see warm or cold signatures. I'm trying to show it and put it on the camera at the same time. It's hard to do. There we go. See? Now I'm going to walk around just like this, and I'm going to show you. So right here, that's my bunny. You can't see him, right? There's no night vision on, but check this out. With thermal imaging, I can see my bunny moving around, doing whatever, and then I'm going to go ahead and turn on the night vision. And boom, there's my bunny. Alright guys, so here's the baby monitors, and I made a TikTok video about these, but I wanted to let you know that I read online that there is a way to get ghosts to communicate through here. So basically what I'm going to do is this is going to be plugged up in my car, because I have an adapter that if I don't need to use batteries, I can just plug it up, and it will allow me to plug it up like a wall plug. That way I can hear what is being recorded through here, and I'm going to have my other phone recording what goes through here, and I remember bringing this with me. This one I can just take off the back, or just put batteries in this one, so that way I could carry this with me, and then it will be in the same area as me, but a little further away, so it could go ahead and pick up anything going through here. And it's a really nice piece of equipment though, and hopefully it does work like it's supposed to. Here is my ghost meter. This thing can go from 50 to 1,000 hertz up to 20,000 hertz. All you have to do is, of course, put a 9-volt battery in from the back. You just got to put it down there. Just turn it on. And right now it might not pick up anything, but I'm going to go ahead and use this when I'm doing my investigations. That way I could pick up any signatures from a certain direction and then go based off of that. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I definitely look forward to doing some ghost investigations. See you there.